The Historic New Orleans Collection has one of the largest Tennessee Williams collections in the world. We have large collections of manuscripts, drafts of his plays. We have an immense library of his work. And we have items such as this, which is a typewriter from the late 1920s. It's a Remington portable typewriter. He gave it to his friend Maria St. Just in the early 1950s and claimed that it was the typewriter that he wrote Streetcar on. And we acquired it from the Maria St. Just estate a number of years ago. And it's an important part of our collection here. And we know from the different manuscript versions of the play that he used a number of different typewriters while writing the play. But this is likely one of the